Thank you, Blessing Oli Shola Wells Magnetic. Always a pleasure to be here. Okay, so have you been trying to do video slide, photo slide of any kind, or do you already use a software for that? Today, I want to introduce to you a mobile software you can use for your video slide, photo slide that doesn't have ads. It is completely free. My name is Eva, your software productivity coach. And I'd like you to watch this video till the end. As always, I have tips to give to you that will help you in your tech world. So, without further ado, let's get into the video of today. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get into the business of the day. Search for video editor on your phone. Assume you have already downloaded it from Play Store. Yeah, this is it. Video editor. Click on video maker. Yep. Choose the pictures you want to use for the video slide. Then after choosing the pictures, click on next. This canvas is the video aspect ratio. We have aspect ratio for television, we have aspect ratio for phone, we have aspect ratio for YouTube, for different things. So we'll choose 9:16. We'll use 9:16 because of what we want to achieve with this video. So now we're choosing the transition to use. We are using, okay, we've gone to slide. We want to choose the kind of slide to use presently. I think this one is good. So go with this. Yeah, save. Click on save. So you click on save, it will export. Wow, this is done. Now there is something I want to achieve with this video. If you notice when we played it at the beginning of this video, when I was talking about video slide, it was full, like 3. So we're going to do as many as we can, like 3 different transition, 3 different slide. But there's a brain behind this. If they are the same pictures, if you started choosing the pictures to use for the slide from the beginning of your folder, next one that you will do, you can start from the ending of the folder. So right now, this we are exporting the second one. I've already shown you the process for the first one. That is why I didn't say anything about this, but it's basically the same process. So the next one, I'm going to do 3. The next one, I'll show you the process again. Click on video maker. Select the pictures, the same pictures that you use for the first and the second slide. Select the same pictures, but this time around you're going to use a different slide. After selecting the pictures, click on next. Click on next. Yeah, that's it. Choose the same Canva aspect ratio 9:16. That is what we'll use for the first slide. The second slide, this third slide, choose the same thing. Go to your transitions. Now there is mix, classic, slide, and so on and so forth in that transition tab. So but this time we're going to stick to the mix. We are choosing the one we want to use now. Yeah, we've seen this one. Save. I will teach you how to
use InShot, so don't bother about that. Just know that we are actually done with Video Maker. Export from InShot. Like I said, don't worry, I'll teach you how to use InShot in another video. Go back to video editor. Click on Video Maker. Click on the video we just exported. Next. First, change the camera to 16:9 because we are playing it on the TV. Then go to Effects and choose the effect you want. If it's small stars or any other thing that you want to be on top of the video, you can choose from here. They are there, so it's something you can easily look at and say, okay, I love this one, let me choose this one. This video editor is very good. Ads do not pop up. Yeah, I know I told you there's a tip I'm going to give to you, and just watch the video to the end. I'll tell you something. So now click on frame. Yes, I've just chosen one frame, the yellowish, this frame. It's so nice, but I'm looking at the effects. Those red, they're not so nice, so let's choose something else. Let's choose something a bit mild. Okay, yeah, let's take this one. Exactly, it's downloading. Done. Alright, so see, it's small stars, nicer than that red one. So we'll choose this and save. You know when you want to save here, if the video is not so large, you can use 1080p. That's Full HD. I'll still teach you about Full HD in another video thereabout. So maybe it can just be one of the tips I'll give another day. If you want to learn how to use it very well, you can just put in the comment section, I'd like to know more about this app, and definitely we'll get back to you. That is it. We are playing the video right now, and the aspect ratio, my phone, yeah. You can turn your phone to landscape, portrait now, depending on the kind of video, but this video is landscape. I just turned my phone to landscape now, and here is the video we did with Video Maker and InShot. Thank you for watching.
Wow. Thank you for watching. I am quite sure that that was very informative. The tip of today is how to know what software to download. Now you have searched for Video Maker and you have like 500 popping up on your Play Store. How do you know which one to choose? This is how to know. Go straight to the reviews and read them. Definitely, you will see common reviews. And by the time you see common reviews, you'll be able to tell if the software is exactly what you want and can do what you want. So the first thing is determine what you want to do with the software and then look through the reviews. If it suits you and suits what you want to achieve with the software, then download it. That is how to know what software to download and what software will work better. Most of those reviews can tell you to an extent what the software can do and the advantages and disadvantages of the software. Always look through reviews before you download software so you don't get to download and uninstall, download and uninstall. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. I remain your software coach, Eva. Bye.